How's it going, everyone? I finally have another Project Saab video for you all today, and it's not really so much a Project Saab anymore. It was when we first started doing videos on it way back almost a year ago at this point, but now it's really just doing upgrades to the car, like today's video where we literally put an entire new interior in the car. There was a 2009 9.3 with black leather interior that came into a junkyard here, so we went there and we grabbed literally everything. I'm talking all the seats, all of the trim along the A, B, and C pillars, all of the armrests, all of the door panels, pretty much everything. In today's video, we're going to swap out literally all of that with the exception of the door panels, which we'll do at a later date. If you guys want to see some sort of update video on the Project Saab to see like what's going on with it, let me know down below in the comments and we can try to make that happen and film it. But without further ado, let's go ahead, get into this video. If you guys want to see a more detailed process on how to replace all these parts, I'll link them throughout the video up here in the top corner, so that way you can see step by step how to replace all of these seats and armrests and everything like that. As you guys will see, the car had a full tan interior before and the seats had some rips in them. They weren't really in the best shape, so that's one of the reasons why these are getting replaced as well. But the change to black is going to make a huge difference, and you guys will see that by the end of this video. So let's get into it.
So as you guys can see, there's all this cracking here. They're very, I tried to clean them as much as I can, but they're really, really dirty. They just don't look good. This one isn't perfect, and there's this big rip, but from a distance, you honestly can't really tell. So that's cool. Wow. Damn. That is freaking disgusting. Yes, goodbye, tan. Oh, I didn't get you, Daddy.
We've been at work for an hour now. Front seats are out, all the paneling is out, back seats are out. There's a bunch of more plastic panels because we're replacing these with black ones. So all of this is getting replaced with black, all that's getting replaced with black, all that's getting replaced with black. But we did this in about an hour. So the door panels still have to be done, but we're gonna go ahead and reassemble the interior with all the black parts now before we go ahead and do the door panels. But yeah, this is all vacuumed out too. A lot of progress made in only about an hour. So let's get to reassembly. to tighten the backrest on one of these things. It is not fun. It's a lot of squeaking noises. It takes forever. And now my wrench is stuck. That's because it's tight. Bueno. The seats are all in, all the side panels are in. The only thing that's left are the 4 door panels, which we will most likely do another time, but we have the 4 new door panels and door handles as well. So it's kind of rocking a 2-tone interior right now, but I like the look of it. I mean, that's kind of a look. It's like half black, half tan. It's a huge transformation though. The black definitely matches or goes with the red better than the tan did. There you have it, everyone. That is the full interior swap on the Project Saab. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to see more content on the Project Saab, make sure to follow her on Instagram. I'll put it on the screen right here so that way you can stay up to date on what she's doing with that car. But if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the next one.